Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Chica Codes, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to write text onto a file without writing the text directly onto the file and into code. So yeah, let's get started. Before we get started though, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, like this video, and share this video with family and friends if you enjoyed. So I'm just going to open up the Jupyter notebook. So I'm going to type in on the prompt. You could also do this with the CMV. I only do it with the CMV. I've opened up too many times. Okay, so we just type it. It's a different spelling. It may open up in Bing if you have a PC, but I put it as Google. So I'm just gonna open my folder, and I use Python Bing. And yeah, I'll show you my So last video, I made a calculator to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what code we need to do the writing. So these are the 3 simple steps. So basically, first you need to open the file, then you need to print or write to the file, then you have to close the file. So basically, you have to write text_file equals open the file that you want to open. And then you gotta write mode equals W. W stands for write. There's also another mode called R, which is read. Text equals TXT is an extension, so it means like it's the notepad on the PC. I don't know if it's different for like MacBooks and stuff, but PNG is like a picture, JPG is a picture. That text is an extension. And print text comma file equals text_file, and then you have to close the file, which is text_file dot close. Then you have to do parentheses, close parentheses. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a new one like this. So let's make a new. So let's go here, Python 3, and we're gonna name it. I don't recommend writing spaces. You can write underscores though. It does take a long time, but it's worth it. Or you can write today's date, whatever is easy for you. Don't really put spaces in the name just because that's like the code. Like I was told not to put spaces, so I don't. But yeah, let's get started. So I already showed you guys the notes. You guys can go back, and I'm gonna put the first code in the cell. So as you guys can see, I just opened my file explorer on the PC, and I have this Python_write to file, which is the same thing that we did. So I'm just going to open Python learning because that's what we're doing. So this is my text file that I'm going to be writing on from the code. So make sure you don't open it because so basically the thing, like the new file that you make on Jupyter, it's basically just all the same files on the computer that you have. So if I have like a Zoom file, then the folder would end up on Jupyter because that's how we do the new folders and stuff. So this is a subfolder, and I'm going to make sure you don't open it because that will just mess up everything. But yeah, so we have it right here, so we can open up the file. Don't open up the file, but so we have it right there, so just so we know. So now we have to open it up. So I'm going to write txt_file equals 2. I'm going to put a space, and I'm going to put parentheses, and I'll show you the next step in just a minute. Alright, so I'm going to write Chica. Well, we have to put quotation marks. Just do that. And then manchika.txt, the extension. And then we're going to do comma, mode equals quotations W. So now we have our first line, we have to open the file. So we have that step done. We're going to run this. And okay, we have to fix this, but that's okay, I think. Okay, I think I may have to put the same name that we have up here. So to write to a handful. Okay, now let's run it. Still an invalid syntax. So I'm going to find it and then I will come right back to you guys. All right, so I think I found the problem. So I put open here, but I forgot to put open here. So we're gonna do open and let's see if we can do, all right, it works now. I'll come back to you with the next step. All right, the next step is to actually write the text that we want to put into our file. So now we're going to write txt, the extension, and we're going to put quotation marks, I think. I'm not sure. All right, sorry, but I figured it out. So we have to put an equal sign, and now I'm going to open up some quotation marks, the double quotes, and now I'm going to write some text that I want to put it in. Please subscribe. There you go. So now we can run the code. There we go. Let's move on to the next step. All right. I think I may have messed this up, but I'm going to show you guys what I did. So basically, I'm going to be printing the text now. I'm going to be printing in the folder now. So yeah, so I'm going to do I'll be right back. All right, I found the wrong thing. So we're going to do text file equals txt underscore file. Now we can run it. There we go. Let's move on to the next step, which is basically, I think, closing the file, and then we'll check on our file in the File Explorer, and then we can see like if it actually showed up onto the file, and then we can open it. All right, for this last cell, we're going to do txt dot close, and then open and closed parentheses. Now let's check if this code is basically like onto where that is. And that's it. That's our code. That's all. Now we have just run this cell. Star. I'll be right back. I know I am going back on a lot of stuff. I'm still learning, so I'm sorry. But we have to do text underscore file, close, closed, and open parentheses. Now let's run it. Forgot to put an E. Now let's run it. Perfect. Okay, so now we have our, again, it seems like 9 over here and 6 over here and 4 over here and 3 over here because that's how many times I ran the text in each cell, how many times I ran each cell. But now we are done. So let's go to the File Explorer, Python learning. Let's see if it showed up. Yeah. Our text showed up onto the file. That was so fun. But yeah, I know I made a lot of mistakes, so please bear with me. But yeah, but I'll see you guys next episode. I'll be posting I'll be posting another video tomorrow. But yeah, bye guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Bye guys.